Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about my Cattleychea Siam Jade. So as you can see, this is a smallish Leliane hybrid. The most sort of famous parents in this hybrid are Cattleychea guttata and Prostechia mariae. So here it is. It's about a foot tall, including the pot. And then here's a flower. So this is actually a repurchase of a Siam Jade that I had that succumbed to orchid fleck virus. And the last one I had was the non-peloric version. This one is the peloric version, as you can see. These petals are imitating the lip. And so it's a light green color. It's actually faded a bit more to lemon lime as the flower has been open for a couple of weeks now. These back sepals are very sturdy. They're very thick. It's a great contrast between these outer petals or these sepals and the petals, which are, while they're thicker than other petals on other Cattleychea that I have, they're still a bit thicker. Like on this midrib right here on the back, you can really along the green line, you can really feel the texture of them, but they are frilly towards the ends. Also want to talk about the scent. I don't know if it's this particular blooming period, it has a weird scent, or if the peloric version of the Siam Jade has a different scent than the non-peloric version. But it smells kind of gross. It mainly smells wet, like wet grains, like rice, or if you've ever cooked millet. Millet has a really weird smell when you're cooking it. It smells really gross, and it smells similar to that. And if you never cooked millet, it smells like bad breath, particularly like tooth rot. It's not really pleasant. Last time I had it, it smelled more of jasmine and lilies. Although the sort of foul undertone was still there, it was an undertone. It wasn't the whole fragrance. So I'm going to keep this because I do like the flower. I'm going to keep it for another bloom period and see if the fragrance changes. And if it doesn't change, I may look at trading with somebody who has a non-peloric version, or I may just sell it. But yeah, this is my Siam Jade. It's very easy to grow. I'm going to repot this after the flowers fall, and I'm going to repot this into a bark and moss mixture. So let me just show you the tag. Or actually, let me just show you the as good as you can see down at the base. So you can see all the growths are healthy. You can see a root right there. Let's see if there are any roots down at the bottom. Yeah, we have a root right there. So that's always a good sign. Put that back in the cup. And then here's the tag. And yeah. I got this from Norman's Orchids. He still has them available if you're interested in getting it. The smell, it smells good sometimes, I guess. So we'll see about the next blooming. Thank you. Bye.